Good morning, Sunny. Good morning, Sunny.
Good morning, Graham.
Nice to be on this call with you. Do you have your camera?
Yes, I'm putting that on now. I'm trying to get it on.
Fantastic.
Should be on.
There we go. Thank you so much for joining me on this call, Sunny. Really appreciate this time that we have together. Did you
Thank
guys?
you too.
Yeah, you're welcome. Did you get a chance to watch my short little video? Explains who I
I
am.
did. I did watch it. Correct. Yeah.
Fantastic. That's wonderful. We can refer back to that if you like, if you have any questions. The purpose of this call is to network and find out a little bit about each other and see how we can help each other in this business. So I think you start off telling me a little bit about your journey and what I can do to help you.
Okay. My journey is very similar to yours. I'm currently residing in the state of Minnesota.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I began my real estate career first as an agent, then a broker, and then by 2008, the market crashed. So I
Mm.
got out of the market. I
Yeah.
did single family homes. We had a upward of 100 unit single family homes. So when the market crashed, we just got out, and then I moved overseas to Dubai, where I stayed until 2016. And I got back, and I got back, and I decided to do real estate full time, and
Mm.
started doing single family homes. And I managed to own about 43 units, a mix of duplexes and fourplex. But most of the properties I bought were all vacant properties that needed to be rehab before they can be stabilized.
Mm.
And I ran into a brick wall. So there where I am currently, and I'm full time. So I'm seeking out partners who have experience, knowledge, and some resources in the multifamily space. You know,
Okay. Fantastic. And are you a married man with children or what's your background?
I divorced in 2017. I have two girls. They're all graduate of one just graduated from Howard, and another from the University of Minnesota. So these two, they are independently on their own now. So
Okay, fantastic. So you're a proud
mm,
father. That's wonderful. And are you living by yourself right now?
yes, currently right now, yes,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So where do you see yourself in 5 years' time? What are some of your goals?
Yeah, the next 5 years, 3 years to build I want to build a portfolio at least 1,000 doors
Okay.
from multifamily.
Okay, very
But I want to
good.
make sure that it's done in 2 years, so that in 5 years, I can exit those 1,000 doors
Yeah.
and then be independent and just be a elite getter where I just lend money rather than
Mm,
owning
very
properties.
good. Yeah. Or you can be a passive investor, certainly when it
Yeah,
comes to large multifamilies. Well, we
yeah.
see suddenly we seem to be singing from the same song sheet here with multifamilies, and as you said at the beginning, similar sort of journey. You've been through the battlefield like I have, and that's why I wrote this small little book, Cautionary Tales from Real Estate Investing, because I think I've made probably most of the mistakes you can make in real estate, you know. So I've got the battle scars, and but this time round, I'm gonna do a whole lot better. I recently wrote this little book. It was a very useful exercise because it brought into sharp focus what exactly
Mhm.
I did do wrong. You know what I could do better next time. And it was only last month, in fact, when I found myself in a 3-day workshop teaching us all about large multifamilies. And it made a whole
Mhm.
lot of sense. Looked
Yeah,
like a whole lot of less risk, ironically. And because the teams are bigger to put these deals together, you know, a lot more professional, a lot more scalable, and a lot more opportunity to create significant wealth, you know, with
correct.
this. So I'm planning on writing another book, a thicker book. This one's only 26 pages. So I'm going to write a much thicker book that should be coming out at the end of the year. And I've also started a YouTube channel just on light education on what a large multifamily is and the roles that you can play. So there are plenty of opportunities, and what will happen is I come across 1 or 2 deals a year. It takes a lot of work to find the right ones, that make sense and will be a good investment. So once I find one, I do an invitation to a Zoom call where we do the offering memorandum. You can bring along any other potential investors who are interested in the multifamily space. And then if you're interested, you can throw the money in the pot, as it were, and get paid closing if you're doing the EMD, and roll in the original stake into the project and become a limited partner, which is a passive role in the project. And depending on what the project is, whether we're inviting non-accredited as well as accredited or just accredited, we'll let you know ahead of time, in the invitation, whether we're calling for accredited investors or non-accredited or both, so.
Yeah. I'm not. Yeah, I'm not investing passively at this time. I'm looking more of a partner with JV and do deals now
Right.
actively. So
Okay.
my take is that I'm not a passive investor. I'm trying to get deals done through
Yes,
collaboration with JVs.
I see.
I'm
Okay,
also
that's
actively
perfect,
finding
Sunny.
deals
Yeah.
and looking to get deals done rather than be a passive investor. Not at this stage in my journey.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, certainly. The main role for all of us in this real estate space is networking. So, you may come across those who do want to have money, deploy their money into large multifamilies, and then you would be, we can pay you a connector fee if they did throw their money into the pot, and
Okay.
with that, that's going to be a good reward because we're dealing with much bigger numbers, than single families. So,
That's correct. Yeah.
yeah, there's good opportunity there. So, if I were to come across something that would fit for you, what would that be then right now?
I'm not. Yeah, like I said, I'm not looking. I'm more actively involved myself, and I was looking for, like I said, a partnership type deals to be done rather than being passive.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And by you mean a formal sort of partnership or just a player on the team, as it were?
Yeah, it's a full team. You want somebody that was either co-GP, it's a co-GP on a deal, or someone we can come in and say, I can help with the EMD, and then we can syndicate the deal. So looking at partnership because I'm actively on a writer as well. So I went through the Michael Blank program. So I learned a lot in the multifamily space now. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm actively involved.
Oh,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Fantastic. One of the
Mhm.
things then you can do, I can send you my YouTube channel if you like. And if you make comments on there, let's keep in contact. If you have any questions or you'll see what we're doing. And let me just send you that.
Okay.
You can keep an eye on that.
Mhm.
I'm doing a series right now on light education on multifamilies. I'll probably get deeper as time goes by,
Mhm.
and you can find out more about me there.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Okay, I will be in touch then.
Yes, absolutely, Sunny. You have a wonderful day, and thank you for
You too
joining
then.
on this call today. I hope
Bye.
it's been
Yeah.
useful. All right. Bye bye for now.